What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best bread machines in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. Cuisinart CBK 202 pounds Convection Bread Maker, best for settings. The Cuisinart CBK 202 pounds Convection Bread Maker makes the list because of 16 settings it has to offer. All of the basic programs you would expect are included, such as white, whole wheat and gluten-free as well as rapid settings. But, there are several specialty options too, such as French/Italian, low-carb, pizza dough, artisan dough and sweet breads. It also comes with 3 loaf size options, 1, 1.5 or 2 pounds, and 3 crust color options, giving you extensive customization. This bread machine features a unique convection design, which Cuisinart claims will circulate the air for superior crust color and texture. It doesn't disappoint, producing loaves with good rise, shape and thick crusts. It even alerts you when to mix in fruit and nuts or when you can take the dough out to shape yourself, should you choose. It's on the noisy side, but it's the best choice for those wanting to bake an assortment of loaves. West Bend 3 pounds high-rise bread maker 47,413, best bread machine for large families. If your family goes through bread like gangbusters, you'll want the West Bend 3 pounds high-rise bread maker. It can make a jumbo 3-pound loaf, the largest of any electric bread baker. And on those days, when only 1 or 2 are home for supper, you can make a petite 1.5-pounder. This machine has 2 kneading arms, which the manufacturer claims makes for very thorough mixing, a lighter taste and a higher rise. The finished product is shaped like a traditional loaf, making it easy to slice. The West Bend is loaded with all of the features you expect on a bread machine, including a dozen settings, crust color control and delay start. There is no express setting and some of the settings require up to 3 hours, but the long time may also help give a tender texture and a high rise. Sensio Bella 2 pounds bread maker, a versatile bread machine. The new Sensio Bella 2 pounds bread maker gives you lots of flexibility at a super affordable price. In addition to 12 settings for all kinds of bread from basic white to whole wheat to gluten-free, not to mention yogurt, jam and cake, you can vary the color of the crust, speed things up with a 2-hour cycle, and keep your freshly baked loaf warm for an hour. The Bella has a few features you might not expect from such an inexpensive model. There's an LCD screen for making your selections and a viewing window to check to see how your loaf is rising and baking. You get a little tool to help remove the paddle from the bottom of the loaf before slicing. As the pan is coated with a non-stick finish, it is easy to clean by hand, but you can pop both it as well as the paddle in the top rack of the dishwasher. Oster 2 pounds bread maker, fastest bread machine. You can get a loaf of bread from the Oster 2 pounds bread maker almost as quickly as if you drive to the store, which is one reason this appliance made our best bread machines list. Its express bake 1-hour setting is the fastest you'll find on any machine. Oster does warn that loaves may come out denser and darker than you're used to, but still you can have the pleasure of fresh from the oven loaves without planning in advance. There's also a slightly longer 1-hour and 20-minute cycle and of course longer settings for breads and a variety of baked goods including white and whole wheat. You don't get a gluten-free setting or settings for any other out of the ordinary bread types though. Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker, small bread machine that makes a big loaf. The Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker takes up less space on your countertop because it's taller than it is wide. You do, however, wind up with an unusually tall loaf that you may want to turn on its side to slice to get reasonably sized portions. Even though it's compact, this bread baker can still turn out a loaf that's up to 2 pounds and it has a dozen settings including a special one for packaged mixes. You can control the color of your crust and when it's the right time to add in the raisins, you'll hear a reminder beep. In spite of its relatively low price, the Cuisinart is a beautifully designed brushed stainless steel appliance. It has an interior light for checking progress without opening the lid to sneak a peek. You get a very thorough instruction manual plus a booklet with lots of appealing recipes. Add it all up and you have one of the best bread machines for the money. Thanks for watching. For more details follow the links given below in the description section, and if you are new here please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.